Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. I know I've been gone for over a year and I'm so sorry. I'm back though and I'm super excited to start YouTube again. I just wasn't sure if I wanted to do YouTube and I just had to figure myself out, but new year, new goals, and the time that I was away from YouTube, I just missed you guys and missed doing YouTube so much. So I'm back guys, and I hope you guys can forgive me. But today's exciting because it is a luxury unboxing. I haven't done one of these in such a long time and I'm just excited. So this is a new brand that I've never talked about on my channel, and that is Jacquemus, Jacquemus, whatever it is. People say it so many different ways, so I don't even know how to say it. So don't come after me if I'm saying it wrong, but correct me if I am wrong. But yeah, this is a brand that I have slowly become obsessed with because I always kind of knew about it, but I always thought it was just like the micro bags that they had and I was just not for it at the time. But I am seeing it more and more and I'm slowly just becoming obsessed with those bags because they come in so many different colors and they're just so cute. Not practical, but so cute, and anything cute is just practical for me in a way, if that makes sense. I have like a huge wish list from them, but I'm starting off a little slow, just dipping my toes in, testing it out. This is what it comes with. So they don't have their own like brand boxes like you would get like from Gucci or Louis Vuitton and all those other luxury brands, which is kind of like a bummer, but it's okay, guys. The other videos that I've watched on this bag and every other video that I could find on people unboxing their items from Jacquemus, they complain that they don't come with a box, so maybe they'll hear us out and provide a box in the future. But yeah, they don't come with a box, just a dust bag. But this is what also came in the box. It's just like this little receipt pamphlet, and this was attached to the bag. Says Jacquemus right there, and it just tells you how to take care of it, not to put it in direct sunlight for too long and keep it away from water and like makeup and all that, and then when you're not using it, to put it back in the dust bag. So yeah, and then they come with this really cute postcard, which I think was so cute. Depending on their collection is what the front is. So mine's a little shoe, and this is the back. You guys can see that, but yeah, that's really cute. And they also provided me with stickers, which is so cute. I love that. And they just came out with a huge pink collection and it is so cute. Everything is pink. They're like sweatshirts, shirts, bags, accessories, so go check that out if you are into pink. And then here's my receipt. So at the time I paid 600. Oh wait, you know what, let me show you the bag first, sorry. And then so see, I haven't been on YouTube for a year and I'm already messing up, so bear with me guys. But also this little card that says merci, which is really cute, and I think that means thank you. Well, that's what I'm listening to, the people that did unboxings already, and they say it says thank you, so I'm gonna trust their opinion and their French. Merci is thank you, and it says Jacquemus right there, which is really cute. Here she is, my new baby of the year. I'm so excited, and like I said, I have so many items on my wish list just from this brand because their bags come in like all different sizes, which I love. So they have like mini versions, a medium version, and then like a bigger version of all their bags. So that is so cute. But all right, so let me shut up and get to the unboxing. So this is the dust bag, which is so nice. Like the material of it is really nice, and I wish you guys could feel it because it's like a linen, but it's thick. It's just good quality stuff. So it says Jacquemus at the bottom of the bag, and it is a drawstring bag. So are we ready? Are we ready for the reveal? The bag that I got was the Jacquemus Le Grand Bambino, and I got the grand size. It comes in a little bit a smaller size, which is adorable, but it just seemed too small for me. I might get it in the future just to have like how cute would it have this one and then like the baby one? Adorable. But we'll see. And I went for the black because I just wanted to start off with a neutral color just to see how I like the brand and all that. And all their bags come with gold hardware. So it says Jacquemus right there. And you guys know I'm a gold girl every day of the week. That's all I ever wear is gold. So it's perfect for me. And this is what the front looks like. Has this really unique opening enclosure. It's magnetic as well, which the sound when it closes is so satisfying. I don't know what it is. Like, who else loves that sound? But then it also has this really nice handle, and then on the side it has these little 2D rings because it comes with a removable strap, which I absolutely love because you can wear it like this if you wanted, or you could just put the strap on and wear it crossbody or over the shoulder or however you like. But yeah, it comes with a strap. I'll show you in a minute. That is the sides. And then on the back, which is really nice, it comes with this little card slot that you could stick receipts or a card if you want like easy access of your debit card or whatnot. But I really like that feature of this bag. So it is very unique. And then the bottom has no feet, just looks like so. And this is the strap it comes with. So it has gold hardware, which I really like, and it has this little belt looking thing, I don't know what to call it, and it has a lot of holes where you can adjust it, which is really nice, and then it gives you enough room where you can add holes if you wanted to. But yeah, it has gold hardware, and on the sides of the hooks it says Jacquemus. And what I also really like is that it feels heavy. It's like heavy hardware. I was like afraid it was gonna feel like that cheap, you know, metal that you can find on some handbags, but this is like really nice and heavy. So here's the Jacquemus labeling, if you guys can see that. Sorry, it's gonna take a second. There we go. It says Jacquemus right there, which is really nice. Yeah, this is a strap. It's not too thick, not too thin, and I'll show you guys some mod shots at the end of the video, so make sure you watch till the end. And so let's get inside of the bag. So when you open it, it looks like so, and it's like this really nice canvas on the inside, and I really like the color as well. And it has this little flat pocket right here, and then it says Jacquemus. I don't know if you're gonna be able to see that honestly, but there it is. And yeah, it's just this one whole big pocket, and I was really skeptical on the size as well. Even though it's Le Grand Bambino, I was really just scared on how big it is, because people say like for the price the bags are way too small to fit anything in it, all their bags, and I was just scared about that. But when I got it, I was surprised on how much can actually fit in this bag, and I'll do a what's in my bag and a review. I just want to use it more. The dimensions of the bag are 23.5 centimeters by 13 centimeters, but it is kind of like deceiving because the way the bag is shaped, this is like the outside, so I think they're measuring this, I could be wrong, but when you look on the side, it has like, it cinches in a little bit, so it's not like the whole bag, if that makes sense. I don't know if I'm making any sense, but you guys could see that, you know, it's not 23.5 on the interior. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. I can't wait to do the what's in my bag and the review, and I hope you guys can forgive me for being away for so long. I'm so sorry, but I'm back. I'm so happy, and I can't wait to do more videos and more unboxings of Jacquemus. I'm like so obsessed with this brand right now, and their clothes are also really cool. They have like different stuff. It reminds me of like Balenciaga, honestly, like the way their style is. It's like street style, and I just have really been loving the brand because they're not expensive, like not expensive like other luxury brands. But again, this is a new brand, so who knows, I'm able to get more expensive. But if you aren't following me on Instagram, please go follow me on Instagram, like and subscribe, and I'll put my Instagram on the screen somewhere. And yeah, I hope you guys have a great rest of your day or night, wherever you're in the world, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys. Bye.